Hey guys, welcome back to Louis Dutton Vlogs, and in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I have got myself a brand new pit bike. I've actually had it since about Christmas, and I've been keeping it inside the house till the weather gets a lot better, but I think it's time, Alex, don't we, to show them what bike I've got?
Yes, I think
actually,
it is. Should
we show them, or just bring it in? Because it's actually still in the house. Show them or tell them?
Just bring it in.
So here it is. A 2020 CRF 125. So these are the bikes. I think Elliot's got one. A couple of his friends, Louis Dutton, James Cottrell. I think they're all getting some of these. So hopefully these are the bikes we're going to be riding now down at the bottom of the track. So I might be selling my KLX L soon. Alex's bike. So we've both got CRFs now. Might actually sell the L and get one of these. Not too sure yet. But yeah, this looks so trick. And I think I might be racing this in the 2020 Minibike Champs season, in the 125 class, not 125, the farm bike class. Might be riding this, so if anybody wants to support me and help me tricking out this CRF 125, because I've been on YouTube, nobody's really done any videos on them, nobody's made it quite trick, so if anybody does want to help me do that, message me and we can hopefully make this bike look awesome. So yeah. There's not much else to say really, apart from let's get it out, get all my kit on, and head down to the track for my first ever ride on this bike. Like, it's just been sat in the house for ages. It's still got all the knobbles, no, the little tread bits. But yeah, let's get out and ride this. And if you can't already tell from what the old CRF 125 used to look like, I'll show you a picture right now. But on these ones, they've got a new perimeter frame, yeah. On the new ones, they've got a new perimeter frame, rim lock, fuel injected, just a couple more stuff, and a hydraulic front brake.
And a fuel light.
And a fuel light. So we've just finished another short little edit on the CRF 125, so let's get ready and head down to the track. So the next time I'll probably speak is when I come in after my first ever go on the CRF 125, so I'll see you lot then. Ah, I can see myself. So what's happened here then? How is it? Good. Now, instead of going down there, we're gonna have to cut through here. I've just got back now from riding my first ever go on the bike. Alex is just having a go, but I am loving it so much. It's such a nice bike to ride. I definitely think I prefer it than all my other bikes, than all my other pit bikes I've got. It just handles amazing. It's like riding a CRF 110, it's a bit taller, and with a clutch, it just handles amazing. But yeah, so hopefully we're going to be building a track down here soon for the 125, and it's going to be like awesome. So very excited to do that. And yeah, there's not going to be maybe much talking on this video because I just want to get loads of cool shots of me riding the CRF 125. It's just such an awesome bike. I have already had a little falling off. As you can tell, bit of the mud guard down there is a bit scratched. Alex, how did you find it?
It's good.
Like it?
Yeah, it's alright.
Such a lovely bike to ride. So I'm going to be putting on the, I think it's 200mm lens, so we can get a lot of zoomed in shots of the riding the bike. So very, very, very happy with this bike. I can't wait to ride it more and race it in the mini bike champ season. So yeah, let's get riding again. So I think we should head up now because we are actually going to be heading to a football game. But now we've got this bike out, there's going to be a lot more vlogs coming. Sorry it's been such a long time without riding or anything. The UK weather's been terrible, hasn't it, Alex? Yeah. It's been absolutely horrific. As you can tell, there's a fence down here now, so we haven't been able to ride down here either. There's been a lot of work going on around here. Elliot, was speaking to Elliot yesterday. He said we're going to hopefully get a digger very soon, a big one, but a lot of big jumps and make the track awesome, a lot better than it was. It's going to have a full revamp, completely different and completely changed. So yeah, ready to watch football? I am. Let's head up. Right, so actually now the next day we watched football. We lost. Not very good match, but yeah, fun to watch. But yeah, it's now the next day. We're going to be heading back down to the track to test out the CRF 125 even more, pushed it to a bit more of a limit. It hasn't actually rained down there, I think. Has it rained last night or something?
It rained last night, but it's mid right now.
You don't know that?
Yeah, I do.
Oh. But yeah, rained last night. We've got George here.
Hi.
Alex's CRF 110, my CRF 110. But Alex had spray painted his wheels himself, and they look quite good, to be honest. And he's taken off the this little bit of paint, no, not paint, a little bit of sticker down here, and I think it looks quite cool how it looks compared to mine. So I think I might be doing that. Not too sure, not too shabby, should I say? I think though I'm going to get a set of bars for this very soon. Maybe a pipe and a few more stuff, pegs. Apart from that, I don't think there's much else I can get for this. Oh, and harder front fork springs, because they're actually quite soft. So, yeah. And I did think the back shock was a bit too soft, but Alex has just found this. Is it a D&M shock? Oh, yeah, it's a Volt shock, back shock. So I might get harder springs and put that in the back of this, because I think that'd work quite good.
It might work.
Don't know yet, but might test it out today. Might put it in and see what it's like. Just gonna wear some trousers and the boots and a coat on top, because I'm not gonna get fully kitted up, but I'm just very excited to ride this again. So yeah, hopefully the GoPro's still charged, and let's head down to the track. So basically, it's just started to rain. As you can tell, come down pretty hard, so not too sure what the weather's gonna be like. Just coming quick, had a little rest, but the track is getting very, very wet and slippery. As you can tell from the mud here, very slippery. It's more grippy in corners like this, but coming into it, it's very slippery. Like, look, oh, it looks right on the camera, but it's very slippery. This is quite cool car. I quite like it where it's this wood chip stuff. But that, this thing needs to move. Some of you, if you've been around this channel for a while, you know this tree's been here the whole time. Obviously it's been here the whole time of the channel, but it's fell down, so it's a massive hole in here now. So it's pretty cool, but it's pretty sad that the tree's gone, because it was quite an iconic thing on the track. I still can't believe how sick this bike looks on camera. So cool. Woo! But yeah, currently my camera is actually broken. That's why I'm filming on Elliot's at the moment. So that's why there hasn't been any vlogs recently, because it is broken. And hopefully it's going to be back very soon, but fingers crossed. But I've got the mini bike champ in 2 weeks, so hopefully it's done for then. Wow, the raining stopped, so I think it's time to ride again. So, hopefully, weather's dried up, got the big lens on, George is going to be filming. Hopefully get some sick shots. Basically, the only reason why I'm using my 100% because it was raining and I had tear-offs for these, so I've just put these on quick. So, yeah, don't get too angry. So we're currently just letting Alex have a couple of laps on it, so I'll film some of these, but the camera does say low battery, so hopefully I have got a spare one. Woo. You alright? Oh. No, Louis.
Louis! What?
My leg. I've honestly. My leg hurts. Is it bad?
Snap my bars.
We've got a bit of a problem.
It's not, is it?
Alex.
Louis, I don't give a shit.
So if you've just saw on George's camera, Alex had a big crash, endoed over. That doesn't explain the bus.
That's fine.
What?
There's something rattling. It's fine, it'll probably just be a loose bolt.
Basically, I came up here very fast. When he was on the floor, I didn't see George or nothing. And I crashed, went straight into him. My bike's right, but Alex's bike's another story. His bar's completely snapped.
Paying you back that money I owe you.
I completely went into him. My stomach killed. I hit my stomach somewhere on the bars. Alex, your bike. Honestly, Alex's bar. Look at it from this angle. These bars are totaled. Maybe the front wheel's a bit bent as well. Apart from that, Alex, your bike's ready for mini bike champs. Yeah.
It was getting there. When is that? It was getting there.
2 weeks.
Uh-oh.
It'll be fine. So yeah, I think it's we will call it an end of the day.
Let's go order some parts.
Yeah, let's head up, clean the bikes, and have a look at the damage. So we have just got everything packed away, all the camera stuff. Going to head up, wash the bikes, but we'll go through further stuff when we get all the bikes clean and have a look what we actually need to buy and what we do need to do to our bikes. But yeah, big crashes and a lot of fun. So right now we are finished. Everything's packed away, finished cleaning. So gonna have to drop George off now. Then I think I can go get a Domino's. Mind the fluffy clothes. I've just had a bath and want to be nice and cozy and warm. So let's head off. My GoPro on my steering wheel. But yeah, just leaving George's house now. Fun day riding. I love the bike, love it so much. It's actually sick to ride, so very, very happy with my CRF. Just heading home now to get a Domino's on the way. So yeah, we've got a little way of a journey, not far, but yeah, but down these dark, scary country lanes. But yeah, so I'll probably see you on the way back. No, I'll probably see you maybe in Domino's. Get me in the heat again. Let's go. Right, so it's now the end of today's vlog. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. I'm currently filming this on my phone because I have given the camera back to Elliot. But yeah, hopefully there'll be a lot more videos coming very, very soon of the new CRF 125. Really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Remember, keep ripping, keep riding, like, share, subscribe. So yeah.